Alright guys, here is a long trade I took recently. On this 15-second time frame we see a sharp market drop that quickly transitions into a bounce. And now what's cool here is how this creates a 40-point range where all that excess selling is getting absorbed by retail and other market players. After this we see an initial attempt to establish support just below the 390 level, suggesting some buying interest. But as you can see, it wasn't strong enough to sort of prevent another dip. Now it's important to note here that this 50-point decline is, in my view, designed to create a bear trap. First we see a lower low followed by a secondary test, which allows market makers to basically figure out just how many sellers are still out there before they can actually start putting in those higher lows. And I'm sure you can see how things are playing out, in the sense that instead of rushing back up here, the market makers are taking their time, doing a bit of price discovery, I should say. These are the moments, guys, where patience really pays off for you as a trader, because at this point you want to see how this weak bottoming process develops, rather than jumping the gun. Now when I say to you jumping the gun, what I'm basically referring again is this bounce. What I mean is that it appeared that a trend reversal was in progress, but taking a long position here wasn't always, in my view, wasn't the right move. Why? Well, because the rejection just below the 390 level, aligning, as you can see, with this order block, signals this. My take is that market makers were basically targeting the next order block above, which is why this sort of dynamic right here clearly validates this area as a supply, as a strong supply zone. But first, market makers, they had to do their price discovery, and in the process shake out weaker hands before actually driving the market to that level. So after reaching a new low and moving sideways here, the market begins to trend upward. Making the structural break above the 371 level is especially significant. Now I do mention this because this measured pullback, which to me appeared as a pause within a larger uptrend, coupled with the price finding support at this break of structured level, suggests that market is getting ready for a move higher. That's why I placed my long order just above the 371 level. As you can see, the trade worked out really well with minimal drawdown as the market kept pushing higher. By the way, if you are digging these price action trades and want to see more, don't forget to check out this next video. Alright gang, thanks for watching, and as always, hope to catch you all in the next one.